it's interesting. I like the freedom of it. I like not having coursework. I like not having deadlines, things like that. And it's a lot of fun, but I personally miss uni a lot, mainly because the randomness of uni, you literally will not get it anywhere else. The variety of people you meet at uni, you won't find it anywhere else. And that's one thing I miss a lot. And I say that from an international student's point of view, because you're having friends from Spain, Poland, Australia, and it's a lot of fun meeting people like that because it's like it gets a boring meeting the same set of people every day. But in uni, it's like every day is a different experience. Every day is a different it's like different sets of situations. And being graduating after 2 years, it's interesting, like the process of applying for jobs, getting a job, working, all of that. It's definitely fun because it's nice seeing putting into action what you've learned. And definitely, so it's been a lot. It's been really good, but it's also been really tough as well because a lot of jobs say, "Oh, we want someone with 3 years experience," but it's a junior role, and you're a new graduate, and it doesn't add up because it's like, how do you want me to get that experience if you don't want to give me that job? So it's been tough, and it's like I'm trying to get a much better job at the moment. So it's a lot of kind of like you always have to keep your head up high because your self-esteem can get hit because you're clever, but why aren't you getting any good job and all those things. So it's definitely been a roller coaster, but I think it's worth it because you get to put to action the things you've learned.